Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman and I am the founder and creator of Nutracelle. And today we are making super delicious mini pizzas. These are awesome for your kids. You can put almost anything on them, and I've perfected the recipe. This is the easiest pizza recipe we've done yet, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's just dive right in and make some pizza. All right, this pizza dough is so crazy easy to make. You are gonna think that there's no way this is even possible, but I'm telling you, it is delicious, it is fast, and it is easy, and it is way faster than even ordering pizza in. So to make 2 mini pizzas, you are gonna need 1 egg, you are gonna need a 1/4 cup of cheese, any kind of grated cheese will do, so whatever your favorite is. I have some medium cheddar cheese here. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of our natural Nutracelle. And natural Nutracelle is not only the only protein powder that is peanut-free and tree nut-free and gluten-free and soy-free and all sorts of bad things free. It is also the only one that's made in a nut-free, tree nut-free and peanut-free factory. And now I have 2 kids that have nut allergies, and I had to create Nutracelle because there wasn't anything safe anywhere that you could buy. So this is it. If you have allergies, or if you're like me and maybe you're a bariatric patient or you're someone that's eating a sugar-free lifestyle, this is your secret weapon right here. So to make our pizza dough, you are going to take 1 egg and crack it in a bowl. Here we go. Try not to get eggshell everywhere. And then you're gonna take your 2 scoops of Nutracelle here, and there we go. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. And you're gonna put your cheese in. I know you're like, it can't be that easy, Mel. It cannot be that easy. It is that easy. Look at this. I'm not even gonna use a whisk. I'm actually just gonna use a fork, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this together. Can you guys see that okay? Now, if you want to be super fancy, you could put some herbs or spices in there. So if you wanted a little bit of garlic, you could do that. If you wanted to add, I don't know, like a little jalapeno powder, if you like it spicy. But I'm not. I'm just going to do it nice and plain Jane. Here we go. That's it, you guys. That's pizza dough. Are you ready to see how cool this turns out? I'm going to take a cookie sheet here that I've already got some parchment paper down on, and I'm gonna take about, I'm just actually gonna put my fork aside here because it's a little bit messy. There we go. I'm gonna take half of my batter here, and I'm gonna put it right onto the sheet, and then the other half over on this side. I hope I got them fairly even. Looks like I did. And don't worry, it's gonna look a little bit weird, but don't worry. Now I'm gonna take my spatula, and all I'm gonna do is sort of using the edge, almost like a knife of my spatula, I'm gonna spread it out into a nice circle shape to about the size that I want for my mini pizza. There you go. That's it. There's our 2 mini pizza doughs. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes. I would say 8 to 10 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it. And then I'm gonna load it up with all the pizza toppings and show you how easy this is to make everybody happy at supper time in way less time than it takes to even order pizza to your door. Okay guys, so I have pulled out my little mini pizza crusts here, and it's still super hot, but I pulled them out actually a couple of minutes early. I know I told you 8 minutes, but I pulled them out after about, I would say, 6.5 minutes or so. And the reason I did that is I wanted to show you how nice they turn out. Oh, it's hot. I wanted to show you how nice they turn out, nice and crispy crust at the bottom. But I didn't want to overcook them because we're gonna load them up with all our goodies now and pop them back in the oven. So look how great these look. Aren't these cute? And they're the perfect size. You know, whether you're a kid or you're an adult, this is the perfect size for a nice, healthy, super filling pizza meal that has none of the carbs. Just think about this for a minute. You have very almost no carbs at all in this entire thing. And you can use anything that you happen to have around the house. So I have some bacon left over from breakfast this morning. I have some red onion here. I have a little bit of leftover chopped up ham. I have some chorizo. You can use little pepperoni pieces. I have some green pepper and some mushroom, a little bit of cheese, and some sugar-free pasta sauce that I have here. So that's all you're gonna need. I'm gonna grab a spoon here. There we go. And now I'm gonna load up my pizza. This is what my kids like doing because everybody likes different stuff on their pizza. We have one kid that super loves pineapple, and no one else likes pineapple. And so it makes it really easy to just have whatever you want for supper. So here we go. I'm gonna put on my pizza sauce and spread that around. Try not to spill out like I just did. And now we're gonna put our toppings on. So whatever toppings you want, doesn't matter. You can have anything you want. I'm not gonna judge you. You can put really almost anything on pizza. I've seen there's some pretty crazy pizzas out there. Have you seen the one where people put like corn, or there's like hot dog pizza? So I do not recommend that, but anything that you have that's actually healthy around the kitchen. So here we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of my ham on. And one nice thing about pizza, you don't have to be perfect. You can just throw it right on there. And put our little bit of chorizo. I absolutely love chorizo. Now, if I was making this just for me, I would actually add a few slices of jalapeno on here and probably some Kalamata olives. And I would put some feta cheese because those are all the things that I like. But no one else in my family likes those, so I'm gonna make these ones a little more kid-friendly. All right, and we'll put some veggies on here. You gotta have some green, right? You need the red and green on pizza to make it look really pizza-like. Okay, and now I have some grated cheese, and this is actually just good old-fashioned mozzarella pizza cheese here, the pre-grated. Look how pretty that looks. There's something about pizza, right? It's pretty, it's easy, it's fast. And how many people do you know don't like pizza? Like, no one. And if they do, you probably don't want to be friends with them. All right, I'm just kidding. You cannot like pizza. But look at this. Our pizza is ready to pop back into the oven. And now I'm going to cook this for about 10 more minutes on 450 degrees in the oven. And we'll take these out and I'll show you how good and delicious they are. All right, look at this, you guys. Our pizza is out of the oven and it was almost exactly 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these right onto my plate. There we go. Well, we have another pizza. If you're doing this at home, this is why you use a spatula and you don't use your hands. So don't do what I just did. Here we go. Use a proper spatula. There you have it. This was so easy to do. Can you believe how easy this was? Only 3 ingredients for your crust, and you can put it together with almost anything you have hanging out in your fridge. This is one of the easiest ways to throw supper together that everybody is gonna like, and most importantly, it has almost 0 carbs. You have prebiotic protein, and you have all natural ingredients, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this after we get a chance to take some footage of it, since I kind of wrecked our other one. Shh, don't tell on me. And make sure that you hit the little bell in the corner, the little bell up there, so that you can get notified when we have new super delicious recipes that come out that can help you lose weight and feel full with the food that you love. And you can get the recipe at Nutracelle.com. Plus you can find us on Amazon.com, and you can find Nutracelle on Amazon.ca if you're in Canada. So there you go. I will see you guys back here in a few days with another super yummy recipe. Thanks, guys. Right onto my plate. There we go. Oh no. Well, I can't even eat this one on camera because we actually need it for our, for our B-roll. Oh my God. Put your pizza together. I'm just rambling now because I'm all like, blah. I can't believe I did that. All right, let's try again.